So when we create the mirror, we have three parts to create. The first part that we're going to make is your top board. In order to do so, we're going to create part. And when we do this, we're going to draw it from the front plane, front view. And you're going to go to sketch. And we're just going to start with the rectangle tool. And make sure when you start with the rectangle tool, you get the little red dot there. And we don't care about dimensions yet when we draw it, because after we're going to hit Smart Dimension and we're going to dimension it. So the height of this board is going to be 3.5 inches. And the length is going to be, according to our sheet, 11.5. That is done. We're going to exit sketch. We're going to select our sketch. We're going to go to features and we're going to extrude it. Wood that we're going to be using for this project is going to be 0.75 inches. You'll check it. So that is the board. But now we have to create a cut into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go look at the right side and right view. At this point, we are going to create a box that is going to cut. If you look in Schoology, you will see the profile of that cut. So I'm going to sketch and I'm going to draw what I'm going to cut out. If you look at it, on the bottom right and up, we create a box. According to the dimensions that I'm giving you, we're going to make that 3/8 inch tall, or also 3.75, and it's going to go in the same amount. And we're going to exit sketch. We're going to select that sketch, hit features, and we're going to extrude that cut. You can rotate it, and you're going to want to pull that shape through that box. And we're going to check mark it. There's that first piece. We are done with it. We're going to want to save it as top board.